This presentation is talking about the law of diminishing returns. I recently read an article titled Sports Memoirs and the Law of Diminishing Returns. In this article, it was talking about how autobiographies have never been so popular, but we're wondering why so few of them are being bought. Sports figures are having people write their books, even though most are not buying them or reading them. Most people are simply reading the news or watching the news to hear the good stuff going on rather than picking up an autobiography. Only a few of these are worth even glancing at. The worst are the books about the young athletes who haven't experienced much. David Beckham is only 28 years old and has written more books than he could read. HarperCollins signed him for a $5 million, 5-book mega bomb deal that will eventually see some poor editor politely ushered into that. No matter how controversial the figure, the law of diminishing returns is at play. Well, what exactly is the law of diminishing returns? The law of diminishing returns reveals as additional units of variable inputs are added to a fixed input, output initially increases, but at some point, output increases at a diminishing rate. Well, now that we actually know a little bit about the article, we know what the law of diminishing returns is, how do we connect all this? In the autobiography business, more and more of them are being added, the autobiographies that is, which is creating popularity for the athletes and the books themselves. However, not very many of them are actually being purchased, which is actually diminishing the output of the business and of the books themselves, which is also decreasing their sales.